So guys, here comes the USDJPY. Welcome back. Now let's do quick analysis on it. So before we get started, if you are new and you don't subscribe, just click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Now take a look at this full trend on this USDJPY. We all can see that this is a bullish move, right? Our USD to our JPY is giving us a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement that was made here. We saw that price I highlighted this level, right? And I also highlighted this level. If you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we were ranging here. You can see this daily time frame. Once price comes to this level, it jumped down to this level, it goes up to this level, and it dropped to this down level, right? So we took this up level that price has been reacting to as our resistance, while this down level as a support. We all know this higher lows. If the price does not give us like a pullback and continue to go bullish, then it will kind of range before it continue its bullish move. Now that this price actually went up and broke above this previous resistance level price was reacting to, we all know the rules. Once price is ranging, right, and price tends to break out of that ranging market move, price must definitely come to test that same level again. We all know that once price is ranging and it breaks out of support level, price must give us that pullback to test that support level. But if it breaks out of the resistance level, price must definitely come back to test that resistance level. So this is it. Our price broke out of this resistance level where it was once ranging. Then we expect price to come to test the support level, the resistance level. Now it has tested it. What movement do we expect to be made? Of course, a bullish move. So this is why we have gone massively bullish today. I think we've made about 150 pips on USDJPY. This is massive, by the way. So this is a good movement. This is an indication that our USDJPY is now on a bullish move. So if you want to go, we have to go long. Now let's compare our JPY index and our USD index. Why I still believe we will go bullish. First of all, see this USD index. So I would start this analysis from here. So we saw that price came to this level, right? The price dropped. Then we saw price actually broke above it, broke above this level. Then price came to this level, right? So this is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level. Price once reacted here, give us a pullback. Once price broke out of it, it came to test this level. Then price kind of roll up, failed to break this kind of resistance level. That does not mean uptrend is over, but it's kind of giving us kind of like a weird movement. So we saw price came here, reacted here, kind of like a double top. The price came to this level. Of course, we all expect it to go bullish. We all expect it to go bullish. There's no doubt about that. But price kind of drop and give us like a false breakout. Tries to take out a lot of traders that was going long. Though it will be going long, but it tries to take out a lot of traders, to be able to grab a lot. Now that this price has corrected itself, we are on a bullish move. So we can see that this USD index itself is not giving us a bullish move. Once we start having bullish move on USD index, it means all our USD pairs will be going bullish. Now, I just want to show you this is now a bullish move. We should consider to go on USD, right? Now, let's just assume that this will be a bearish move. Let us just assume that. So, I mean, this is a bearish move, right? We are seeing a pullback. If in case this is a bearish move, then this would be a pullback, right? Where do we want to see this pullback react to? Around this level here. So we see price came to this level one, bounce up, came to this level before broke out of it. So of course, once a pullback is happening, we should see it come to this level. So if it sits from here to here, we still have about 994 pips bullish move to be made. So that is still an indication that if this is a pullback, then we are on a bullish move on our USD. Now let's take a look at correlation pairs. Now take a look at our euro to our USD. You see that this euro is dropping compared to our USD. That is an indication that USD is going bullish, euro is falling. Now take a look at this GBP USD. You will see that this GBP is falling while our USD is going up. So if you have to take this USD JPY, we will still want to see some bullish move to be made, at least to take out this level here. So I think we should be able to accomplish it by next week Monday or Tuesday. So we still continue to go bullish on USD JPY. Now let's take a look at our JPY index. So take a look at this movement, right? On this daily time frame, we can take a look at this price breakout of this level. Of course, we expect price to come to test this level as a pullback. Now let's see this level like this. This is a bearish move, right? This comes the correction. Now, this is another bearish move that has been made. Of course, we expect a correction to be made. This is why the correction was made to this level. We saw it here. We saw price came to this level, reacted. Once it broke below it, price came to this level. And now, what do we expect? Another bearish move. So, we will be expecting this bearish move to take out this level here. So, that is still an indication that as JPY pair itself is dropping, right, we will be seeing a bullish move compared to our JPY pair. So that is still an indication that since JPY is giving us a bearish move and USD is giving us a bullish move, then go long on our USD JPY. By the time this JPY will actually get to this level here, maybe then you start seeing a reversal movement, who knows? But then and then we should be able to grab a lot on our USD JPY.